Hey guys, it's me, and this is the last video of the year. Last video. Hopefully I don't have to do this in the fall when we return. Praying for that, because I mean, as much as I'm enjoying being at home and everything, I'm kind of, wanting to get back into normal stuff. I'm already done. Okay, so this is the last lesson of the year. Tomorrow you have your quiz. I will be posting today also what you need to know for the quiz, okay? Just to kind of give you a heads up. Make sure that you turn this in as soon as possible so that I can have it graded before you take that quiz. I'm catching up on all the grading, like Wednesday and today. So make sure that y'all get everything in. All right, also just a reminder that if you have anything missing or late and it's still not the 5-day, deadline, you have until Monday at 3 p.m. to turn everything in or it's a 0. Just a reminder, okay, because we're uploading grades for report cards on Monday, 3 p.m. Also, the quiz that's tomorrow, you have to take it that day. It's a quiz, like test quiz, they have to be done that day. You don't get 2 days to take it. If you don't take it on Friday and have it done that day, it will be a 50. Okay, because we gotta be done with all this. Okay, so last video, and then it's kind of summer in a way. I have another week, but y'all don't. Okay, so let's get started so that y'all can be done with this. We're still in chapter 11. This is lesson 101. You are doing area. And this is page 253 to 254 in your book. All right, here we go, guys. Guess what? To find area of like a polygon, it's length times width. That's length times width. That's it. That's how you find area. Okay, so get all my stuff here. Now, your book has different directions. And I'm going to explain at the end again what I expect from y'all. But it says to write an equation. Guys, just solve it. Just solve it. Just give me an answer. That's all I'm going to ask. Okay? Let me show you how this works. I'm going to jump right in and do examples. So this is for area. Let's say that's supposed to be a box, right? Or a rectangle, actually. Let's say this is 20 inches on that side. This is 25 inches on that side. Okay? Now, perimeter, you would add up all the sides together, right? Okay, well, area is different. Area, we're looking for everything on the inside. Like if you wanted carpeting in your house, or wood flooring, or tile or something, you would measure the area of your room. You would measure 2 walls that are connected like this, and then multiply. That's it. So 20 times 25. Okay? And what do you get? You get 500 inches, and it's squared. Okay? So you have to have that 2 there because that has to do with area. Area, on the label, you need the 2. And that's important because when you do volume, and I'm just going to write this over here. Volume, it's cubed. So it'd be like, I don't know, centimeters cubed or something like that. Volume has the little 3. Area always has a 2 there. It's squared. 500 inches squared. So all you do is multiply and you get your answer. Let's do some more. I'm going to do let's say that this is 3 feet and this is 19 feet. Okay, and again, we're looking for area. Area is all that's here, not the perimeter. Perimeter is all the way around. Remember, crown molding. Remember yesterday, I forgot what that decorative thing is that goes along the top? It's called crown molding. And the bottom, that thing down there, that's the floorboard. Okay, so that's when you need to know perimeter. But for carpeting and stuff like that, you need your area, and it's usually considered square feet, square footage. So you just multiply. It's to give you all that's on the inside. So we're going to do 3 times 19. Okay, and 3 times 19 is 57. See, I already worked this out. 57 squared. I don't want to go too slow, but I don't want to go too fast. You guys can do the work on the side. Y'all know how to multiply. You are so smart. Okay, let's do another one. Now this one's going to be kind of weird. This is the one that throws kids off. These are like, oh yeah, I got that. Now, remember, it's the two sides that are together that you're multiplying. But what if you have a weird looking figure? And I'm going to drop down a little bit. I'm going to draw this the best I can. And this is not good already. This is, whoa, man. You know what? I should have used a ruler, huh? I'm not even following my own advice. I don't know. It's like silver. Okay, so let's say they give you this. That's a dotted line. Let's say this side is 3 yards. This side is 3 yards. This side is 3 yards. This side is 2 yards. Yes, I know. It doesn't look right. 9 yards. Whoops. For this whole line. This line is 2 yards. This line is 3 yards. And this line is 3 yards. Okay, so keep in mind, 3 yards, 3 yards, 3 yards. That's supposed to be 2, even though it looks like 3. This whole side right here is 9 yards. This side is 2. This side is 3. And this side is 3. Okay. Now, area is going to be funny. We're going to do it in 2 parts. That's what this dotted line is there for. Okay. Now, in 6th grade, they're probably not going to give you a dotted line like that. You're going to have to draw your own, break it apart and everything. We're going to do this in 2 parts. We're going to find the area for this box. And then we're going to find the area for this box. Okay? All right. So, let's look at, ooh, my hands look old. I noticed that my hands look like a 100-year-old woman. Okay, easy grader. Okay, so we're going to cover that one up. So we're only looking at this box. We only need 2 sides. This side we can choose, and we can choose this side. It doesn't matter which 2 sides. You could have done this one and this one, but you need 2 sides that are next to each other. That's going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. So we know 9 yards squared is for this box, the area. In fact, I'm going to write that. Now we're going to do this box. Remember, we need 2 sides. We could choose this side and this side. This side. That's going to be 2 times 9 equals 18 yards squared. So this whole thing is 18 yards squared. Now, if we want the area for the whole thing, we just add 9 yards squared and 18 yards squared. 18 plus 9 gives me 27 yards squared. That's the area. Now, let me ask something. Did you need to know this number here, this measurement, or something like that? No, you did not. So the area equals 27 yards squared. Now, if they were to say, what's the perimeter of this thing, we would add 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, so that's 15. Whoops. So 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then plus this, that would be 28 yards. Not squared, because perimeter does not do with the square, only area. So area, that's how you find area of a weird figure. And they may say find the perimeter, and that's what those extra measurements are for, perimeter. Okay, so remember, this is, the A is area, P is perimeter. Because in your book, they're going to say find the area and perimeter sometimes. So, okay, let's do another. Ooh, it's a little bit better than last time. There you go. Okay, let's say here's our dotted line because we're going to break this up into two parts. Let's say this side is 4 feet. This is 8 feet. This whole thing is 24 feet. Whoops. And this right here is 8 feet. Okay, so they're saying this whole side is 24 feet. This side right here is 8 feet. Did they give us this right here? No. That's going to be a problem. They gave us 8 feet here and then 4 feet here. So we can find the area of this little guy. That's going to be, cover that up, 8 times 4, which is what? 16? No, it is not 16. What is it? It's 32 feet squared. So this is 32 feet squared. Okay? That area. Now we got to find the area of this box. We have 8 feet here, right? But what do we multiply it with? Some of you, I want y'all to start problem solving. If this, it's not 24. It is not 24 because 24 is this whole area, this whole line right here. 24 is that whole thing. We need just to here. So how do we figure that out? Notice this is 8 feet. Therefore, from here to here is 8 feet. So if this whole thing is 24 and this is only 8, if we do 24 minus 8, what do we get? That's right, we get 16. So then what we find out is from here to here is 16 feet. I have to write that in black so you can see it. 16 feet. Okay, from here to here is 16 feet. Okay, so now it's going to be 8 times 16. And what do you get? 128 feet, right? No. Yeah, I already worked it out. Okay, so this whole thing right here is 128 feet squared. So now we add it. 128 plus 32. 8 and 2 is 10. 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, and yes, I got it correct. So the whole thing, or I was supposed to box that. The area of this figure, this whole figure, is 160 feet. We were able to easily find this one because they gave us this side and this side, so we multiplied it. But they only gave us this. They did not give us this side or even this side. We had to figure that out because this whole thing is 24 and we knew this little part was 8, so we subtracted the 2 and that gave us this side. And even this side would be 16 feet. So this side right here was 16 feet. So you may have to use your brain a little bit to figure it out. Okay? All right, so let's see. I think that's all that I need to do is just multiplying the 2 sides. I think we're about done. All right, so here's what I'm doing. I'm going to totally set you free and let you get started. If you have any questions, just let me know. You are going to be doing page 253 to 254. You're going to be doing numbers 3 through 10 all. And I want you to just solve, meaning just get an answer. And then over here, I want you to do 15 through 19 all. And then I want you to follow the directions on those, okay? But wherever it says write an equation, where it says write an equation, don't do it, okay? I want you to just solve, okay? So you have to name the figure. It says name the shape according to the number of sides. For 15, 16, 17, you need to do that, okay? But then it says write an equation, find the perimeter. I want you to just find the perimeter. And then for 18 and 19, find the perimeter and area. Okay? If you're not understanding, please just text me. This is due Friday. Okay? And don't forget, you have a quiz Friday. And I'm going to post exactly what's on that quiz so that you can be ready. If you have any questions, please contact me. Do not do it late at night because that's my family time, okay? Dinner time, stuff like that, that's my family time, okay? So that if you contact me then, I don't know how much I'll be able to help. You also, since your quiz is on Friday, you probably need to get this done so that you can turn it in. If you turn this in like, I don't know, 3 o'clock on Friday, and then say, Miss Rogers, can you grade it real quick so that I can take my quiz? No, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so you need to get these things done the day they're assigned. All right, I'll have them graded, and then Friday you can take a quiz. Okay, all right, guys, take care, and I will see y'all at the material pickup and everything, where y'all bring your books or library books and get your report cards and stuff. I'll see you in person then, okay? Remember, no hugs, though. We got to stay that social distance thing. All right, take care. Bye-bye.